Hello kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, Our National Symbol. Every independent country of the world has some national symbol of its own. This symbol inspires and unites its people. They stand for various cultural features and value of that nation. These symbols play an important role in motivating the people of the nations to work together. They constantly remind the people of their great cultural and national values. The national symbol of a country are national flag, our national emblem, our national anthem, our national song, our national animal, our national bird, our national flower. Our national flag is Tiranga or tricolor. It has three colors saffron, white, and green. The saffron is on the top, the green is at the bottom. Between the saffron and the green, there is a white color. In the middle of the white, there is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes. We call it Ashok Chakra. The saffron color of our flag stands for courage and sacrifice. White color stands for truth and peace. Green stands for fertility and prosperity. The wheel stands for peaceful changing. It is a symbol of our ancient culture also. Thus, a tricolor is a symbol of peace, progress, hope for our future. It fills us with pride. It reminds us of great sacrifice of those who got us our freedom. We salute our national flag. We salute a great freedom fighter. Our national emblem is a replica of Ashok, Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. It was at Sarnath that Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon after his enlightenment. A national emblem has two parts, the top and the base. The top has four lions sitting back to back with their faces in different direction. The base is with a horse on the left, a wheel, middle a bull on the right side. Below these three figures, the word Satyameva Jayate was inscribed. Our national emblem is also the seal of government of India. We have it on all of our currency, stamp paper, revenue stamp, official documents, and all the officially publication. It was adopted by the government of India on January 26, 1950. A national anthem, Janagana Mana, is a song that is highly and melodiously deeply meaningful. It was written and composed by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great poet and was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Our national anthem is sung of all ceremonies occasion. It is also sung at the time of morning prayers in our educational institute. It gives the message of peace, patience, tolerance, and national unity, which should stand at attention when the national anthem is being played or sung. A national song, Vande Mataram, was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The song is in the form of a son respectful homage to his motherland. During the struggle of Indian freedom, this song was source of great inspiration for our great freedom fighters. Our national animal is tiger. This animal is a symbol of grace, strength, agility, and fearlessness. Since November 1972, the tiger has been adopted as our national animal. Our national bird is peacock. The bird is deeply loved for its lovely and colorful plumage and for its graceful dance. In 1963, it has been adopted our national bird. The hunting of peacock and of tiger has been banned. Our national flower is lotus. This lovely flower symbolizes purity and rightness. Many Hindu god and goddess are shown holding this flower or seated on it. The grace and the beauty of this flower is unmatched. All the national symbols play a vital role in our life. They inspire us to remain united. They encourage us to uphold the great traditional and value of our culture. Thank you.